Today you're going to learn how to enroll as an employer of record with public partnerships. I will personally walk you through the enrollment process, which should go smoothly unless you've already enrolled with public partnerships in any role or capacity. If your information is located in the system before you attempt this process, the system will stop you and you will be unable to proceed with the enrollment. Let's begin. The first step is to ensure that the individual being enrolled has an email address to sign up with. This is extremely important. Once you've ensured there's an email for the individual, the next step is to do the pre-registration portion. The pre-registration will only be able to be completed once your services facilitator has created a referral and had public partnerships to send an invite link to the email address provided for the employer of record. Click the invite link and enter the information on the web page as required. First name, last name, social security number, and date of birth. Once you've entered that information, the system will open the pre-registration portion of the enrollment. Complete all information required and click Finish. Once you have finished and the screen says Pre-registration complete, navigate back to the email inbox. There should now be a link sent by Public Partnerships to confirm the account. Click the link to confirm the account. Once you've confirmed the account, you should now be able to log into the account and begin the official enrollment. If the system does not automatically log you in once you've confirmed the account, simply log in manually with the password created during registration. Log into your account. You should now be logged in and on the account's dashboard page. From this page, click My Signature. You should now be on the Signature Creation page. Create your signature, save it, and navigate back to the dashboard page. Once you are back on the dashboard page, click My Enrollment. Fill out all of the required information, then click Finish. The system will now automatically navigate you to the Sign and Submit portion of the enrollment. This window takes a few moments to pop up, so do not exit the page until the Sign and Submit portion has presented itself on the screen. Remember, you are not finished with enrollment until you have signed and submitted the documents electronically. Before clicking the Sign and Submit button, the system will require you to date the documents. You will only be able to put in the date for the following date of the day you're doing the enrollment. For example, if today is June 6, 2023, you will only be able to date the enrollment for June 7, 2023. No exceptions. However, this date can be altered at a later time if necessary. Once you've dated the enrollment documents, click Sign and Submit. You are now finished with the new employer of record enrollment. The enrollment is now under review and awaiting approval from Public Partnerships. Please allow at least 10 business days for your enrollment documents to fully process. If you have any further questions regarding the status of your enrollment, please call Public Partnerships at the number provided on this screen. Congratulations on your new enrollment as the employer of record for your case with Virginia Consumer Directed Services and Public Partnerships.